आज बात करते हैं थोरेसिक वर्टिब्रा के आइडेंटिफिकेशन के बारे में। आज देखेंगे टिपिकल थोरेसिक वर्टिब्रा एंड एटिपिकल थोरेसिक वर्टिब्रा। There are 12 thoracic vertebra are present, in which and second to 8 are typical thoracic vertebra and first, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th are atypical thoracic vertebra. In vertebra, parts are body, vertebral foramen, vertebral arch and superior articular facet, inferior articular facet, pedicle, lamina, transverse process and vertebral foramen, which give passage to spinal cord and its meninges. Now see the typical thoracic vertebra. So in typical thoracic vertebra, body is heart shaped and on each side bears demifacet. These are the demifacet, superior and inferior costal demifacet. Transverse process also bears a facet and spine is running downwards and oblique. 5th to 8th thoracic vertebra spine are almost oblique and downwards. Now, superior costal demifacet is articulate with head of the numerically corresponding rib and inferior costal demifacet is articulate with next lower rib and transverse process bears a facet which articulate with the tubercle of numerically corresponding rib like this. This is articulate vertebra. So this is the tubercle of rib. Now atypical thoracic vertebrae number 1. Vertebrae number 1 looks like 7 cervical vertebrae. See, this is the 7 cervical vertebrae, but in 7 cervical vertebrae foramen present, foramen transverse area is present and there is no facet, no demifacet. But in atypical first thoracic vertebra, body is broader side to side, heart shaped body is not present, spine is thick and almost horizontal and superior costal facet is complete facet and it articulates with first rib and inferior costal facet is demifacet which articulate with second rib. Transverse process also bears a facet. Now 9 thoracic vertebrae. 9 thoracic vertebrae, it have heart shaped body but only one complete superior costal facet present, inferior costal facet is absent, transverse process also bears a facet. This is 10 thoracic vertebrae. 10 thoracic vertebrae shows characteristic features which resemble with typical thoracic vertebra, but on side of body only one superior costal facet is present on each side, both the side, which extending to pedicle, and also have facet. Now 11 thoracic vertebra. 11 thoracic vertebra have heart shaped body but in upper part of pedicle there is a facet, large costal facet on each side of body. So we can differentiate it with 10 thoracic vertebrae. Now last 12 thoracic vertebra. It is very much resemble with lumbar vertebra. It bears single costal facet. Transverse process is small but bears 3 tubercle. So this is the identification of all typical and atypical thoracic vertebrae. Thank you.